Hi and welcome to another day of Swift programming. Today your challenge is to copy some text and use like a clipboard method of pasting that text into maybe a print message. All right, but there'll be other applications for that down the track. But let's try and do that. Now, to use the clipboard in Swift, we use a thing called UI pasteboard. So just start typing that and it should maybe bring something up, maybe not if we need something else. No, it's all good. UI pasteboard. And what we're going to do is use this to copy something. So we'll use the dot syntax, general, and we're going to get a string. So let's just grab a string. We're going to copy that to the pasteboard, and as you can see, there's lots of other things there too. So let's create, this is the string to copy and paste. So just by putting this to, assigning it to the UI pasteboard general string, it's going to copy it. All right, so let's paste that somewhere. So to use it again, we go UI pasteboard dot general dot string. That's it. So let's print this and see if we have copied it to the pasteboard. So I'm going to print that, and press run. Now we've got a bit of an error there. I'm just going to run it again, see if that fixes it. If not, I'll just build it again. I've seen this before. And there it is. It's an optional, so you could do something like this. The clipboard was empty. Maybe, if it's a nil value, just in case. There we go. So I unwrapped it because it does exist. I'm just going to see what happens if I do empty the clipboard there. It's still going to assign an empty string there, so there's going to be nothing there. Let's say it's equal to nil. I wonder if you can assign nil to that. I'm going to run it again. So it is going to be equal to nil in this case. So yeah, you can't assign it. I'm just going to get rid of it and not even save anything to clipboard and try and paste something in. I'm just experimenting here just to see what goes on. And same thing, you might want to do something that will check, it's got a new line, so it's saying that, it's just printing nothing. So you could do, here, I just want to play around with this, so let the clipboard equal this, right? And then we'll do a test, just so that we know if it's empty or not, if anyone put anything into it. It could be you copied nothing. So if the clipboard is equal to, let's use this new line character, that's what an empty clipboard looks like. We'll print the clipboard is empty, and if it's not, we will print the clipboard. And I'm just going to unwrap it because it should be, actually we don't do that, we just print this. There we go. All right, and run that. I want you to unwrap it. All right, we're still getting this, it's an optional, so that'd be a character, wouldn't it? Yeah, it's still printing the clipboard. I'm going to try first. Let's see if that will get that, because it's a new line character. Maybe it'll help discover it. Is it going to do it? Let's run again. There. And no. So maybe contains. Let's try that. I'm going to put this character in there. There we go. Fix, unwrap it. Well, so that's not going to work, is it? Let's try one more thing. Simplest is always the best. There we go. So to check if the clipboard is empty, but it still contains a new line. So I was trying to see if I could compare it to a new line. There's probably another way using characters to do that. So yeah, a bit of experimenting there, but that's how to use the UI pasteboard. It's quite a great module. It's found in Swift, and yeah, have fun with that. It might come in handy with your text boxes in your app or things like that. So have a good one. Good to thank you for following, and we'll talk soon.